Last week, we saw how the earth was formed. Today, we're going to continue on that.
Earth is in the same way all through. Beneath the solid rock that we stand on, there are different layers. It gets hotter the deeper you go. The outer layer of Earth is called crust. It is made up of solid rock. Below the crust is mantle. It is made up of hot molten rock. Below the mantle is the core. It is made up of iron and nickel. Earth's core makes our planet into a giant magnet. It has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. As Earth spins, the iron in the core swirls around. This is what makes Earth magnetic. What is a magnet? A magnet is a rock or a metal which can pull other metals and rocks towards itself. Earth's magnetic force is an invisible force which helps to keep the atmosphere in place. To us, Earth seems still, but in fact, it does not stop spinning. Each turn gives us day and night. If Earth didn't spin, one side of the planet would bake while the other would freeze. One part of the Earth, which faces the sun, gets daytime. The other part of the Earth, which does not face the sun, gets nighttime. Earth completes one full turn around the sun in 365 days. We call this a year. Earth completes one full turn around its axis every 24 hours. We call this a day. Have you ever wondered why evenings get darker and colder as winter approaches? The seasons change because our planet is tilted.
Now I'm going to do a fun experiment showing you how day and night happens. Materials required: clove, orange, skewer, torchlight. Take the orange, take the skewer. The skewer is Earth's axis and the orange is my Earth. And then take the skewer, place it right in the middle of the orange. And take the clove, mark it in your place of the Earth. And then the torchlight will act like the sun. This part of the Earth faces the sun. So, as you know, the Earth is tilted. This part of the Earth faces the sun. So, it is daytime. The other part, where is my location, doesn't face the sun. So, it is nighttime. As the Earth rotates in its axis, now my part of the Earth faces the sun. So, it is daytime for us. And the other part, which does not face the sun, gets nighttime. I had a wonderful time doing this experiment. Would you like doing this at home too? Try it.
Thank you for watching my presentation. Stay safe. Bye.